this this video of an LADA. This is nuts. So this video comes from Melina Abdullah. And this is there are folks there in front of Jackie Lacey's house, who is the LADA, for a community promise, for a community meeting that she promised with the Black Lives Matter LA crew. They rang her doorbell. They're doing a protest. Apparently the husband answers the door, and this is the way that the DA's husband answers the door when there are people there ringing the doorbell, asking for the community meeting that was promised.
Right now, get off.
Good morning.
Get off of my porch.
Shoot me?
I will shoot you. Get off of my porch.
Can you tell Jackie Lacey that we're here?
I don't care who you are. Get off of my porch.
We'll get off your
right
porch.
now.
Can you tell
We're
me?
calling the police right now.
Good. Wow.
Now, why would there be a concern about how the community is treated in terms of, let's say, policing in this environment where the DA's husband opens the door with a massive handgun, aiming at people?
Not even brandishing it, just aiming it at people.
Right. This is not like, look, I have a gun here. I feel threatened. It is, get off my porch. We're calling the cops. I have an idea. Call the cops first.
Also, I'm pretty sure he does care who they are.
Well, I think that's the point.
It looks like he's even got his finger in the trigger.
I
It's
know.
hard to
This is
tell.
just
Like,
nuts.
That is the DA's husband. That's not exactly public relations winner.
Right.
There.
I got to think, if I'm the DA, I'd like to think I have enough authority to say to my husband, sweetheart, please don't meet the people who are protesting about how they're treated by the cops with a gun.
Yeah.
Well, I guess she doesn't care. She thinks she's going to get reelected no matter what.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully that doesn't play with a certain section of voters.